A measuring spoon is a small kitchen tool designed for accurately measuring small quantities of ingredients, typically in units like teaspoons or tablespoons. Made of materials like metal or plastic, they come in sets and are essential for precise cooking and baking. Choosing the perfect measuring spoon can be overwhelming with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. That's why I've done the hard work for you, hours of research, reading countless reviews to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around, and if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Now, let's dive into the top measuring spoons that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Measuring Spoons. The Spring Chef set are metal and contain the usual 4 plus a 3/4 teaspoon, a 1/8 teaspoon, and a leveler. The leveler has a flat side for leveling spoons, a pointy bit for cleaning stuff out of the corners, and a 2-inch ruler. The spoons have rectangular bowls and hang from a latching ring. The rectangular measuring spoons are very easy to use, especially in tight circumstances. The handles feel substantial, but the edges are a little sharp. The leveler is an interesting idea, but not that useful. It's no better than a butter knife, but you have to take it off the ring or arrange the whole mess just right. Nice idea, but not that good. The handles are solid, with a little crosswise curve for stiffness. Product 2. U-Taste 18/8 Stainless Steel Measuring Spoons. The U-Taste spoons are metal and contain the base 4, plus a half tablespoon, 3/4 teaspoon, 1/3 teaspoon, 1/3 teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon, and 1/16 teaspoon measure. I've never seen the 1/3 teaspoon before, nor have I seen a recipe that calls for such a thing. The spoons have round bowls and hang from a latching D-ring. This set of spoons has deeper bowls than some of the other round models, and that was very helpful when trying to dig into the sugar. The handles feel pretty raw and dig into the skin a bit. The set is also pretty heavy and awkward since it has so many spoons. These are built to last. The handles are very stiff, and they feel very solid. The markings are engraved and read easily. Product 3. Quiso Stainless Steel Measuring Spoon Set. The Quiso spoons are a metal set that includes the basic 4 spoons plus a 1/8 teaspoon measure. The bowls are oval-shaped, and the set hangs from a latching ring. One interesting feature is that the spoons have curved tails so that each one sits level on the countertop with surprising stability. The oval-shaped bowls prove to be a good compromise between round and rectangular. They fit well into spice jars but were very easy to empty and clean. The set is medium in weight and features comfortable handles. While it held up fine in the brown sugar test, we could bend the spoons a bit at the connection of the bowl and handle. Product 4. Prepworks Magnetic Measuring Spoons. The Prepworks by Progressive spoons are metal and include the basic 4 plus a half tablespoon. These are our odd set, as they are not attached on a ring, but instead stacked together with magnets in the middle of the handles. The design is double-ended, with each spoon having a round end and an oval end. We loved this double-ended design, providing the best of both worlds in a single spoon. They're also very convenient to handle since you only use one spoon at a time. These spoons performed well with both the flour and brown sugar. Product 5. RSVP International Rectangular Measuring Spoons. This set was one of the winners from our initial measuring spoons test. These are durable and very difficult to bend, and we loved how the rectangular shape of the spoons fit into every spice jar, even the tablespoon. We also appreciated how their extra long handles and slim profiles made digging around in spice jars easy. Thanks to their polished stainless steel finish, they let go of liquids like water or sticky substances like honey better than brushed stainless steel spoons, tying for first with 3 other models in that test. Key specs. Materials: stainless steel. Bowl shape rectangle. Set includes 6 pieces: 1/8 TSP, 1/4 TSP, a half TSP, a half TSP, 3/4 TSP, 1 TSP, 1 TBSP. Features chain loop, US and metric measurements stamped into the metal, nesting bowls. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.